In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Square appointments to Facebook. This is a comprehensive guide for 2025, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll have everything set up seamlessly. By integrating Square appointments with Facebook, you'll make it easier for your customers to book your services right from your Facebook page. So let's dive in without further ado. First off, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Square Appointments webpage. This is the starting point for accessing their powerful free appointment scheduling software. Once you're on the page, the next step is to log in. If you're not already signed into your Square account, you'll need to do so by clicking Sign In, located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials and proceed. Once you're logged into your Square account, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything within your account. On the dashboard, you should look for and click on the option labeled Online. This is where we'll manage the online presence of your appointment booking system. Within the online section, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in is Sales Channels. By clicking on this, you open up various avenues through which your appointments can be accessed and managed online, including integration with different platforms. Now let's get to the core of what we are here for, linking with Facebook. In the Sales Channels section, you should spot an option for Facebook. Clicking on this will initiate the process to pair your Square appointments with your Facebook account. Here, you'll have prompts that guide you through connecting your Facebook page to your Square account. This integration allows customers visiting your Facebook page to schedule appointments directly, enhancing their interaction and convenience. Throughout this process, you might be asked to confirm permissions or provide authentication details when linking accounts. These are normal security and privacy steps, ensuring that your accounts are safely connected. Make sure to read each prompt carefully and understand the permissions being requested before granting access. Once you have completed these steps, do take a moment to test out the integration. Head over to your Facebook page and you should now see an option for appointments that's powered by Square. Try making a dummy appointment to ensure that everything is functioning seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only streamlined the booking process for your clients, but also taken advantage of a powerful integration that could enhance your business visibility on social media. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out to the support options available on either platform. Thank you for watching and happy booking.